Has every tree in the forest fallen, Sandra?
I think so. It's not the first one I cleared.
No, I know. And you can see in the woods. Holy crap.
Yeah, I think there might be another one around the corner there. I'm not sure.
So, welcome to the video, folks. Not exactly what we were expecting to do right off the bat. Basically, this is only supposed to be a short, quick video. We have to come by and take down the tarp that's over our main camping shelter. We want to make sure that it's put away during the summer so that the sun doesn't burn it away. So, looks like we might have a few more things to do. Sandra's already hard at work. I was delayed because I was parking the vehicle.
Yeah, that's okay.
Wow. Pretty big difference when there's not 4 feet of snow on the ground.
Yeah. Like you can tell, like there's a lot of debris, like
Yeah.
branch tips and.
Move.
Yeah, this is the tree I was talking to you about last night there.
Yeah.
I'd go up the hill with it because our new campsite's down below, so. There's another piece back here too.
Huh?
There's another piece back here too.
Huh?
Unless that's a totally different tree altogether.
Yeah. Top of something. Oh no, it's one tree. Hard to tell.
So we had thought about coming over here last night and spending the night, but the wind gusts were too high. It wasn't safe, and I'm really glad we canceled because
Yeah.
all the trees that we see down today, might not have happened yesterday, but maybe some of them did.
So this is a campsite that we cleared last summer. We came down here with the bikes, spent the night. Great little spot, and we're going to be using it again. Probably another motorcycle trip at some point this summer here, so hope you guys join us for that. There's always a tree down here. Actually, I think that was down before.
Yeah, but it's
I couldn't get to it because it was frozen in the ground. It's gonna be fun.
well, it's stuck. You should get it out of the ground on the other side because you're just gonna flop it over. See what I mean?
Oh wow, yeah.
I think it's speared in there.
I thought flipping it would pop it, but that would need yourself.
Yeah.
I think I hurt my back. Not good.
It must have speared in the ground.
Yeah.
It's the only thing I can think of.
Yeah, probably broke off by that one there. Open now.
Yeah. So that means there's trees down past the turn then?
Well, I don't know about over there, but look how open this is.
True. Yeah, that wasn't like that before.
No. That is crazy.
Do you want this? Or?
Yeah, there's probably going to be some stuff down around the turn. Let's take a look. That's off of something. Huh, our trail has been spared.
That's it.
Our trail has been spared.
For now.
Well, it looks like campsite number 1's been spared too. Oh, yeah, that's what I just saw. A lot of water pools here. Get that fixed before we leave.
The last time I was here, I was standing.
Oh, sorry, get that again.
Last time we were here, I was pretty much standing this tall, looking in.
Yeah, and it wasn't that long ago.
No, nice and dry in there though. We'll be able to store the stuff we need to.
Yeah. We got big plans for this one. This probably late summer, early fall. We're gonna do a tear down and a rebuild, but it's gonna stay mostly the same. I know it doesn't make sense the way I described it, but you'll see. Kind of looks like our wood pile collapsed.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because we stacked it on snow. That's why it collapsed.
Yeah. It's wet on the bottom.
What's that?
You can tell it's wet on the bottom.
Can you? It looks right to me.
No, here on this side. It's darker.
Oh, on top. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, you can tell that it's changed color this light.
Smells like there's been a few fires had in there.
Really?
Yeah, nice charcoal smell.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you really smell the stove.
Yeah, it doesn't smell stuffy or just smells like cold.
That there was water, so probably had some ice sitting there.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah,
I mean, it was a tough winter, a lot of snow, and
oh, that's easier to take out than it was to put in. Yeah.
Okay, so the main struggle is going to be obviously pushing over this very, very heavy tarp over the point there. The main issue is that I'm very short and that's very tall, so that's why we brought the stick. Together, Shannon and I should be able to move this. We might need the tall one. Use that one.
Do the boat need to be up and pushing it or what?
Well, I'm thinking yes, but let's give it a try. Let's see how high we can get it.
Do you need this or I'm going to
You use it for now.
make sure you can see where you're stepping?
Yeah.
And don't put put your weight up on those poles either.
Hold on. Okay. Whoa, that's a big spider. Holy crap. That's a big guy. Bull spider.
Don't tell me that. Oh, I see it. Gross. Did you kill it?
No. I
Kill it.
don't want to kill it. Here. Go eat bugs. Okay. I'm not sure how this is going to work. Careful, give me a second.
I need to reset.
Wait.
There's a pool. I'm stuck. Okay, there.
There you go. Awesome. That was the tough part, which wasn't that tough. So it's a good trip.
Yep.
That looks like a nice little fun place to have an overnighter right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wolf spider? No.
Yeah, there are a few spiders.
My overnighter days here are over for today.
Well, there's our open shelter. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of fold it while we go down.
Well, I can't.
Okay. There's a lot of garbage that's got to come off anyway.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to open it back up.
Yeah. But any garbage we can get rid of now.
We need a third person for the middle.
You have to bring this here, you have to grab the corners and pull them out. So you let that go.
How about I
Yeah, so,
do this,
yeah, you can do that quick.
right?
Yeah,
Kind
zip,
of like.
zip it up.
Cool part's not gonna work, is it?
Okay.
It's wrong, and it must be the cool.
This is not an easy thing to fold. I think we're doing okay though.
Oh no, big spider, get up!
Are you serious?
Probably.
Yeah.
Was there? No. I was just kidding, but
Oh,
there
okay.
could have been one.
That's just mean. It's alright, the spiders around here aren't deadly. They're just big.
Yeah, but even if you fold it, you need something to tie it down. And we can't put it in the sled yet because we need to bring the stove down.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
It's not bad.
Just leave it there.
Yeah. So there we go. Our tarp has been taken down. It's gonna go home. We're gonna open it all up again and clean it up. And then we're gonna store it. And later on, we're gonna be doing some upgrades to it.
So maybe just haul it up.
Okay, so along with taking the tarp down, there's a lot of other small little jobs. And it's gonna take us more time than we expected. What are you working on now, Sandra?
I need to take my mini lights down for the season
So if you guys
because we don't have a roof over it anymore, and it's going to be raining and all that all summer.
True.
So I think they are waterproof, but I'm gonna take them down and we'll put them back up. Oh, careful for your eyes. We'll put them back up next fall.
If you guys have watched our winter camping videos out here, these mini lights add a lot of really nice ambiance to the build.
Yep.
Sandra's special addition to the shelter.
Yep.
Wouldn't be the same without Sandra's mini lights.
No, it wouldn't.
I'll lean that against a tree somewhere.
Is it dirty?
No, it's not too
I don't
bad.
have my gloves on.
Mr. Bucket. Oh, that's seized. There we go. No, it's not too bad. It's pretty clean. Considering we burned for a whole year and a lot of it was softwood, some of it not that dry, that's pretty clean. have to put it in the sled.
I told you you couldn't carry it.
Oh, I can carry it, but
Can't carry it that far.
it'd be a bit of a struggle to carry it the whole way. There you go.
Was it standing up or on its side? I can't remember. I think it was upside down.
The sled?
I think it was upside down. But
Yeah, it could be,
Try
but
it.
I've got the collar on it. There, if you hold there, could work.
I'll let you pull for now. Good job.
Don't tip over. Don't tip over. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be applying some oil to the stove to hopefully make it last longer so that the rust doesn't affect it as much. I know it's not the most environmentally conscious thing to do, but I'm going to try to keep it as much on the stove as possible. Generally in winter we keep this closed, keep the snow from piling in there, and it's worked out great for the last, I don't know, 4 years now? I think 3 or 4 years anyway. So, but we've learned that once the snow is gone, you want to open it up because if you keep it closed, mold is going to build up much quicker, mold and rot. So right now I'm going to try to get this open without having a shower. There's a lot of water in there. Water looks nasty. Not sure how to do it.
I think you're gonna have a shower,
Yeah.
whether you want to or not.
There you go.
Oh, good job.
There, we've
Careful.
watered the underneath of it.
Yeah, it's dripping there, Kirsten.
Yeah, if you want to grab a corner. And then we're going to try to fold it into
My gloves are slidey.
All right, so everything has been taken down that needs to move. Worked out pretty good. A lot easier than we expected, which is great. So we're keeping the wood stove in here and a couple of other items that we're going to be using next year in the other shelter. This is going to stay standing. We're going to be doing a lot of work on this one throughout the summer, probably more in the fall. And so now all we need to do, we're going to be storing our stove in there. I'm going to be putting these boards down here to kind of balance it out so it doesn't sink. Sandra loves spiders, so she'll be bringing the stove inside.
Yeah, no, I'll help you to the door, but that's it. Not going any further.
All right, I'm going to go set up a floor.
Watch the creepy crawlies in your neck there.
And we'll move on. Oh, it's fine. I'll survive.
Wolf spiders.
Okay, let me walk in. Okay. You can drop it there if you want.
Sure. I'll get the other pipe section.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the pipe on top and put the bucket on top of it, as well as make sure no critters fall into our stove. Well, that's pretty much gonna wrap up really the winter camping.
Yeah.
We are swarmed by flies.
Yes.
It's unbelievable. It feels like it was just a couple of weeks ago we were out here and there was 4 feet of snow, and now we're just, it's wild, just crazy. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. We had a lot of fun. It was really great to get everything taken care of. It was something playing in the back of our mind. We wanted to get this down, so we're happy that's taken care of. So again, thank you so much for being with us throughout all our winter camping trips. Just wanted to mention that I hope you guys stick around still going forward, because we do quite a bit in the summer as well. Maybe not as often, but we do a lot of camping trips. We're gonna leave because these flies are crazy. Thanks again, folks. Take care.
Bye-bye.